Hi guys, and I'm back with another video. Today we are making chicken enchiladas, and what you will need now for the filling. I got a can of black beans, but we'll go over that later. But what we have here is 15 ounces of tomato sauce. We have 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 chipotle chilies that comes in a can. I only use 2 because of the spice. We have 2 tablespoons of tomato bouillon, fresh oregano, but you can use dry if that's all you got, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. You need a half an onion, which I already have here. Can you see inside of there? Okay. So I have a half an onion in here, a yellow onion. I have about 6 or 7 ancho chilies, and I have 1 garlic clove, and I am boiling that in the meat water that I cooked my chicken in. We'll get to that. And I'm gonna put this on the stove and have this boil. But the filling with the chicken, I just used a half of a yellow onion and chicken bouillon, and I shredded it up. But you can use cubed or canned or whatever you use. But this is what I'm using. So I just wanted to explain to you what we're doing. You want to take those out of the peppers because it's hot. My arms are still kind of okay. So we're gonna get this stuff put together, and stay tuned. finished with the finished product. You guys are going to be so glad that we did this. Now, mine looks a little different because I love the sauce. I even added some sauce on the end. We got some cotija cheese, like Mexican crumbling cheese, and some cilantro. And we have Mexican salsa, or not salsa, sour cream, my bad. So, let's get into it. I'm screwing around in my chair. I'm tired, y'all. Let me take a screenshot of that real quick, because it's going to be my picture. Of course, y'all know I had another scoop. I gave it to him because it was ugly. It didn't come out right, so let me just do a little screenshot of the good stuff, y'all. So, right about, can you sweep that crumb? Amen. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Hang on. I forgot to take a screenshot before I started the video, so there we have it. Okay, so Mark's gonna taste a piece for you and tell us what he thinks. Come on around. It was a hard meal. It took forever. I'm gonna take a piece too. I'm starving. Come on, baby. Fuck all that. Move, chop, chop. I'll show you turn it. Ultimately mine. That's a big piece. I'm territorially hungry. Cut that piece. Don't tear up my shit because your plate ugly. That's good enough. Thank you. We fucking up the video. Listen, I'm hungry, y'all. You fucking with me. Too slow.
That's very good.
Flip that on somewhere. Let me have it though. He trying to take the cheese. He better learn how to cut it. I'm posting all that shit. I ain't stopping nothing. Let's see. Is it good? Mm-hmm. See, he got a whole big old plate over here. That's why I'm funny about him cutting off mine. Just take a fucking piece and move it.
Oh, good.
I just want to say that it's worth the trouble to go through with the chilies. I mean, the sauce is amazing. And sometimes I'm an asshole. Sorry, y'all, but try this recipe. It is so good. And we're about to eat because clearly I can't help myself. I've been all day waiting on something to eat. You can't even take no cheese. So, thanks for watching.